my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you. Okay, today this is gonna be simple, quick and easy. My family's favorite, tartar sauce. Let's do it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.